Welcome to Helsinki, Finland, home to one of the most magical Christmas markets in Europe. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of the famous Helsinki Christmas Market, located in the heart of the city at Senate Square. From festive treats to unique gifts, we'll guide you through everything you need to know for an unforgettable visit. As you step into the market, you'll be greeted by the iconic Helsinki Cathedral, beautifully lit and surrounded by charming wooden stalls. With over 100 vendors, this Christmas market offers a mix of traditional Finnish crafts, seasonal foods, and holiday cheer. The smell of gingerbread, roasted almonds, and glögi, a warm Finnish mulled wine, fills the air, creating the perfect holiday atmosphere. The market usually runs from late November to just before Christmas Eve. It's free to enter and easily accessible by public transport. Make sure to dress warmly, as Helsinki's winters can be quite cold, but that's all part of the charm. Helsinki's Christmas Market is one of Finland's oldest and most cherished traditions, bringing thousands of locals and tourists together each year to celebrate the holiday season. Food is a big part of the market experience, and the Helsinki Christmas Market doesn't disappoint. Be sure to try traditional Finnish holiday delicacies like glögi, a warm, spiced, sometimes alcoholic, mulled wine, paired perfectly with freshly baked gingerbread. You'll also find hearty local dishes, including reindeer meat, salmon soup, and Finnish pastries to keep you warm and satisfied. And if you are vegetarian or vegan, don't worry. Many stalls offer plant-based options, ensuring everyone can enjoy the festive flavors. Beyond the food stalls, don't forget to grab a souvenir or gifts. You'll find everything from handmade wool scarves to artisan jewelry, and even locally crafted Christmas ornaments. Be sure to look out for hidden gems, such as artisan glass-blowing demonstrations, where you can watch delicate ornaments being made right before your eyes. For those who love supporting local businesses, this is the place to discover authentic Finnish craftsmanship. Many vendors use locally sourced materials, and the market organizers focus on sustainable practices to reduce waste. Even the festive lights, stalls, and carousel are powered by green energy, so you can enjoy the magic guilt-free. The Christmas market isn't just about shopping, it's a rich cultural experience. Throughout the day, enjoy live performances, including traditional Christmas carols sung by local choirs, folk dances that showcase Finland's rich cultural heritage, music performances featuring traditional Finnish instruments, and much more. And for those visiting with children, there's a merry-go-round for kids and plenty of photo opportunities with Santa Claus himself. The market is designed to be enjoyed by visitors of all ages, making it the perfect holiday outing. One of the most magical aspects of the Helsinki Christmas Market is how it transforms from day to night. During the day, you can enjoy a leisurely stroll through the market, browsing the charming wooden stalls as they bask in natural light. It's the perfect time to take in the details of handcrafted gifts, sample traditional treats, and soak in the festive energy. But at night, the market truly comes alive. It becomes a glittering wonderland with twinkling lights, glowing decorations, and a cozy atmosphere that feels like stepping into a holiday fairy tale. Don't forget to bring your camera. The breathtaking nighttime views are something you'll want to capture and remember forever. If you have extra time, combine your visit to the Christmas market with some nearby attractions. Take a walk down Aleksanterin Katu, the official Christmas street of Helsinki, decorated with sparkling lights. Visit the old market hall to explore more Finnish delicacies. End your day with a cozy drink at one of the nearby rooftop bars, offering stunning views of the city skyline and the illuminated market below. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Helsinki Christmas Market. Whether you're planning your trip or just dreaming of a festive getaway, we hope this video has inspired you to experience the magic of Helsinki during the holidays. Happy holidays! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts.